Mrs. Nelson from Beverly Hills called me. Mr. Martin, I just came back from India. 3 weeks. And now when I came to my house, it smelled horrible. What shall I do? I already purchased all the plug it in. I put it in every outlet in a house. I put candle, but it still smells terrible. What shall I do? Mrs. Nelson, allow me to explain to you how in Israel we remove the odor naturally. After 3 weeks that you've never been in a house, somebody else was over there take care of the dogs and the cats. Allow me to give you advice. The main source of the odor is the Oriental rug. The dog, the cats laid on it, pee on it, use it, not in a proper way. So I believe your Oriental rug is the first things have to leave the house. Go on your knees, smell the Oriental rug. And if it smell, fold them, put them in a garage for this time. The furniture, spray them lightly with a vinegar, white vinegar. The vinegar will kill the bacteria naturally. Wash the floor with vinegar. It will kill the bacteria, then it's under the area, under the rug. And refresh the house naturally by opening the window for a half an hour. Let new air coming to the house. You may have to call to the air condition guy to clean the air duct. This is also a source. However, I highly recommend to give to your neighbor, if you don't like him, all the plug it in, and all the candles. Give it to him. This is not a healthy cleaning product. And then ship me the rug. I clean the Oriental rug in a special way. In a cleaning process that's clean the Oriental rug through the rug and flush out all the urine crystal deep inside the rug. And I'm using only the Dead Sea cleaner with the XpetPee machine. Open the window. Spray light vinegar, white vinegar, on your sofa. This is the area then the dog or the cats laid on it. The oil from the skin will cause unpleasant smell, and the vinegar will break it down. This is the key issue to fresh your house naturally. No chemicals. I hate chemicals. And when you receive the rug from me, put your nose, whatever you want, on the clean rug. Guarantee no trace of urine odor or chemical smell. Thank you very much for watching PetPeePee, nationwide service for Oriental rug, drapery, pillow, cleaning naturally. Thank you.
carpet and I don't know what to do. My mother said PetPeePee works and it guarantees it too.